Shakuntala, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with CA, Fatima College, Madurai. Now I am going to take motivation title and the subject principles of management. Now let us see what is the meaning of motivation. Usually all of you know very well without motivations we cannot go for the higher steps. So the term motivation is derived from the Latin word mover, which means to move from one particular place to the another place. So what is the nature of the motivation? Motivation is nothing but it is a personal and internal feelings. So that internal feelings will push you to go for the higher steps. So motivation is a physical phenomena to generate within an individual to drive him to action. And the second point is motivation produces goal directed behavior. So without goal we cannot motivate the human beings. So we can say that motivation is a behavior concept. It directs a human behavior towards a certain goals. Third one is motivation is a continuous process. So there is no limited, it is unlimited. Usually you know that human need is unlimited. One need is over, they can move for the need. So we can give the motivation continuously. So that is why we are saying motivation is a ongoing process. Next, fourth point, motivation is complex. Human needs and motives are varied and they change from time to time. So people satisfy the needs in a different ways. And fifth one, motivation is a system oriented. It is systematically good. There are three group of factor at result of motivations. Point number A is within an individual. Within an individual, we can reach his goals, needs, and values. And within the organization, for example, we can get the motivation, the organization structure, technology, and physical facilities. And external environment also included in the third point, that is culture and custom. And sixth point is motivation can be better positive or negative. In the positive sense, we can give some pay or incentives, commission to the workers. Definitely, it will give the positive motivation to them that will be useful to reach the organization goals. And negative motivations emphasize some penalties. And seventh one, motivation is different from job satisfaction. So it derives to satisfy a want, what they need. It concerned with the goal directed behavior. And next we are going to study next question, importance of motivation. Higher efficiency. Motivation is effective instrument to maximize their efficiencies in their operations. And second point is optimum utilization of resources. What resources they are having in the organization, they have to use in a better manner, then only they can achieve the organization goals. Third one, reduction in labor turnover. So if you give high motivation leads to the job satisfaction to all the workers. And better industrial relations, it integrate all the individual interest in the side of organization objectives, and it boosted team spirit among the workers. And fifth one, easier selection. Easier selection is related with financial and non-financial incentives that will attract the person to get into the jobs. Sixth one, facilitate changes. If there is any changes in the organization, it may be environmental changes or whatever changes is going on in the organization, that is also a very big boost to the human beings that will result to achieve the organization goals. And theory of motivation, there are three theory of motivations. I took need hierarchy theory. So this theory is a developed person, Abraham H. Maslow. He is American psychologist. A general theory of motivation, that is known as need hierarchy theory. So what are all the features of this theory? So this theory to urge to fulfill the prime factors in motivation. So human needs is know that not only a single but as multiple, sometimes complex and interrelated needs also we have. And human needs follows a particular structure of hierarchy, and lower level needs must at least partially be satisfied before higher level need emerge. So if one need is satisfied, we can switch over to the another need. Satisfied need is not a motivator. So various need level are the independent or sometimes it is overlapping. So Maslow is highlighted these five categories of human needs. First one, physiological needs. That is, we can say that biological needs. Biological needs means it preserves the human life. It includes the basic needs, drink, clothing, and shelter, etc. And this should be satisfied first. So this one is a very basic need. So that is why we can say that another name is a survival need, and as next one, safety need. A person wants to protection from physical dangers and economic security. Safety need are those concerned with the protection from danger and threats. This is possible through pension scheme and insurance. So many policies are there for job security. And third one is social need. Social need is also related with need for love and affections and to create a better relationship between them. So it is possible through the supervision and good communications between the employees. And esteem need, there are two types of esteem need. One is self-esteem and esteem of others. Self-esteem means we have to give the self-respect, self-confidence and competence, achievement and knowledge and independence. And esteem of other, that will includes a reputation, status, and sometimes you have to give some recognitions. And self actualization need, this is the last one. So this one is realizing one full potential, what is their potentiality. So it will result self development. So it is the desire of becoming what one is capable of becoming. So what are all the critical appraisal using of this theory, need hierarchy theory. So it is not tested through research, but it has some fundamental truth following or criticism. Number one is needs are not only the determinant of behavior. Second one, the theory gives an oversimplification of human needs and motivation. The hierarchic need is not always fixed one. It is based on relatively a small sample. So no definite evidence for view that is in this Maslow theory. Thank you.